everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to create a 3D model from scratch in SolidWorks. So if any one of you is preparing for CSWA exam, this video is perfect for you. So now let's move forward with section C, problem 2. Let's see what all things they have told us to define. So the unit system should be in MMGS. So we have it in MMGS by default. Decimal places should be up to 2. So I'll go to Tools, Options, Document Properties, Units, and you can change your unit system from here as well. Also, the decimal places should be up to 2. So you can see we have them by default. So I'll click on OK. Material type is aluminum and material is 1060 alloy. So I'll go to Materials, Edit Material, and under aluminum alloys category, you can find 1060 alloy. So just click here and cross check the density with the value given in the PDF and the one mentioned in this chart. So it should be 2700 kg per meter cube, 2700 kg per meter cube. So it is matching. So this tells us that we have chosen the correct material. So apply and close. Now I want to define global variables. So I'll go to Tools, Equations, and here you can define the global variables. So now A is 35, B is 80, and C is 1. Click on OK. Now you can see here in the feature manager tree, the global variables and the material that you just defined will show up here. Now let's start sketching. Let's choose front plane and go to sketch. I'll choose a line. I'm drawing a rough sketch first. Now let's choose a center line. Now let's give dimensions. So the angle between these two lines is 93 degrees. As you can see here, also the angle between these two lines is 87. This distance is C. Also, this distance is C. And now, our sketch is not yet fully defined. So for that, I need to provide the height for the sketch. So now as you can see here, the total height of the sketch is A. But we haven't sketched this base portion yet, which is of height 5 mm. So I'm just sketching this portion from this edge to this edge. So this will be A minus 5. A minus 5. Now you can see that my sketch is outlined in black color. That means it is fully defined. I'll go to Features. I'll go to Extruded Boss Base. I'm sorry. I'll go to Linear Pattern, Linear Sketch Pattern. And here, in Entities to Pattern, select all the sketched entities. Just change the direction. I want my pattern entities to start from left. And here I'll give a count of 12. And OK. Now I want these two points to coincide. Go to Trim Entities and trim this end edge. We don't want that. Now choose Line option and Make sure that these two edges are parallel. Similarly, make these two edges parallel. You can say that we have a slanting line which is extended up to this edge. We don't have broken lines here. Broken lines meaning I don't have a slanting line and then a straight line. So we have a continuous slanting line here. That's what we have done. Now go to Smart Dimensions and give a height of 5 mm. By mistake, give a distance of 5 mm. And now you can go to features, extruded boss base, and extrude this by 80 mm. But put a global variable p. So now you can see that your sketch is completed. Your 3D model is completed. Now let's go to evaluate mass properties. So here we have mass as 265.89 grams. And if you'll check the answer key for part A of this problem, you can see that we have 265.89 grams. That means our answer is matching. So our sketch is completed. Now you need to solve part B and part C of this problem. And let me know your answers in the comment section below. If you have any queries or doubts, you can put your questions in the comment section. So you can also view the isometric view. For more such videos, keep following. Thank you so much.